Some cash advance apps connect through Plaid, but a few now support manual bank linking, debit card verification, or broader banking integrations. That matters because if your bank isn't supported, the app is useless. By the end of this, you'll know 8 cash advance apps that work with more bank types, what makes them different, and which one fits your situation fastest. First, the simple answer. If you have a smaller local bank, prepaid account, or credit union, your best options are usually apps with flexible verification. Start with Windave. Dave offers advances based on income history and can connect with many traditional checking accounts. If Plaid fails, some users can verify another way. Next is Earnin. Earnin tracks your paycheck timing, so it works best if your employer deposits directly into your account. Bank compatibility is wide, but income consistency matters more here. Then, there's eBridgetain. Bridget checks spending habits and balance trends. It works with a large list of banks, and approval depends on recurring deposits. Now for apps with broader flexibility. MoneyLion is one of the more bank-friendly options because it combines cash advances with banking tools. If your bank links, you can access Instacash without needing perfect credit. Albertine works similarly. It analyzes your income and expenses, and it's known for supporting many major banks, plus some smaller institutions. Clover is worth checking if you get regular paychecks. It looks at payroll data and bank activity, and setup is usually fast if your bank is recognized. For gig workers or mixed income users, 2 stand out. Hempower works well if you have freelance income, part-time pay, or irregular deposits. It focuses more on overall cash flow than strict payroll timing. And Clio is one of the easiest for newer users. Clio connects to many banks and offers smaller advances, which can be useful if you just need a quick gap fill. Here's what actually matters before you apply. Check if your bank supports instant transfers. Some apps approve you fast but still take 1 to 3 business days unless you pay an express fee. Look at deposit requirements. Apps like Earnin and Bridget often need recurring income, while Clio and Empower can be more flexible. And always check fees. A no-interest advance can still cost money through subscriptions or instant transfer charges. Quick recap. For widest compatibility, look at MoneyLion, Albert, and Dave. For steady payroll, Earnin and Clover are solid. For flexible income, Empower and Clio make more sense. Your next step is simple. Test your bank connection before filling out the full profile. That saves time fast. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more app breakdowns and money tools.